Hey girl, hey! Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to revive them curls that you did yesterday and that you worked so hard on, but you were so lazy and you just threw your hair up and your hair got messed up and your curls didn't last. Yeah, that happened to me. Products usually go last for the most part, like dry shampoo or styling products. For the most part, it goes at the end, because when you do use a hot tool on top of the product, it gives off a burning scent and then you think your hair's burning, but actually the product is the one that's burning. You don't want to smell burning product in your room or wherever you're at. So I would just say stay away from product until the end. So for today, I'm going to be using the Drybar 1-inch 3-day bender curling iron. Actually, I just got it, but I use it at work and I usually use that one and it's so bomb. Like, I use it in all different hair types and it works so freaking awesome. But the funny part is, like, doing it on my own, like by myself, I'm like, what am I doing? So sorry if I'm struggling a little bit, but when I do it on other people, I do an amazing job. But when I do it on myself, it takes me a while. Get big sections. Like, you see this, there's like no curl, it looks messed up, it just doesn't look good. So what you want to do is first smooth the top, and I use this curler like a straightener, like a curler, like a hair smoother, so I just do a lot with it. If you do have curly hair, you want to make sure that none of those curls popped up from like sweating at night or even like the warmth of outside. And then go ahead and smooth the end just real quick. Twist that and then let it fall. Just smooth that end because you don't want no crusty ends, girl. Then we're gonna go ahead and curl. Just really, ooh, I just burned myself. Oh, look at me, oh, look at me. I think it's pretty cool to get like a, you know, a view on a actual cosmetologist that is out in the field rather than somebody that is just kind of doing it at home and doesn't have experience at all in the cosmetology field. I just graduated, so I'm not an expert, but I definitely know more than what I used to know, and I thought I knew a lot back then when I wasn't in cosmetology or graduated from cosmetology or anything like that. So I definitely have learned and experienced a lot of different hair types. I'm definitely gonna make videos on like all different curls and hairstyles you can do. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's really hard for me. It looks like I don't know what I'm doing with this curler, but I promise you I do. It's just doing it on myself, it's so awkward. Like, I'm so used to doing it on other people, but I've been using this on actual clients, so I know how this works. I've tried it on just all different ethnicities and even people that I don't know what their ethnicity is. I'm like, oh, this hair type is like different, you know? It's just all walks of life walk in there and we get to do their hair. I'm not really telling you guys what I'm doing exactly because that's another video. I want to show you guys like different curl techniques, different ways you can do it, so that's why I'm not really telling you guys that. If you really want your hair to last, I would suggest don't touch it for 30 minutes. Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Ooh. The Chaser by Drybar, and it's a shine cream, and I love this because it's really lightweight and you just kind of brush it through and then it just makes it look so much nicer. Like, I brush my hair out and then kind of scrunch the ends, kind of fluff it up, makes everything look so freaking bomb. Like, look, girl. Oh, she looking bomb. If your hair doesn't hold a curl, I would do hairspray, like a medium hold. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. Toodles. Mwah.